everyone, welcome to our channel, it's Malay Philippines. It's Thursday evening, 10 p.m. and we're here in Walker Street, Prince Avenue, and we're going to walk. Let's go.
Remember me?
Yes.
Hi, how are you doing?
Oh.
How are you? Good. Take care. Have a good night. My trip is finished down.
start train now.
We need to pass a little bit more.
A little bit faster because start train. Umbrella in the car. But I hope not so big rain. Hi? Hi?
Video is not allowed, that's what we're saying.
Not I not go to bar.
Yeah, it's okay, sir. As long as you don't take but taking a video is really prohibited. Okay?
What?
Taking a video is prohibited.
Prohibited in the bar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why I walk. I not go to the bar.
It's okay.
Okay.
That's why we don't want any our people in here to include in such a video like that. That's what we're trying to tell you, okay?
But I know already. I just
Okay,
walk.
we just go, sir.
Okay. That's why you stop me.
We're
I
just letting you know, sir. okay?
No, I know. I don't know why you stop me if I just walk one.
We don't stop you just for no reason. We stop just to let you know.
But
Just
I
to
already
inform.
say I just walk.
Okay, sir. It's okay.
It's okay if I walk.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
Okay. Why you stop me?
We just
No,
let
why
you
you
know.
stop me again? I just walk
Go ahead,
straight.
go ahead, sir. Go
Okay. Again, stop me, said not allowed video. What not allowed? Hibari street or what? I?
Why do you work in the bar?
I don't know. You know, I just walk straight. Not take video of him, I walk straight. But he want to stop me and talk. What reason? What reason stop me? I don't like your video. No, not watch if you don't like. Yes? Who don't like, not watch. Hi?
Support your food sa past.
No, not Paul. Okay, thank you, say, for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.